disqualify nonsense for kill.
What is this man, Loda Lassan?
Yes. This English only. Start the match, Viru.
You, my son?
You know
Now
abuse
keep quiet, bro.
in English.
You keep quiet, bro. Now.
Is it Marco, my son, in fucking his mother?
If I come on my own, I will make your sister one. Don't do this, bro.
देख तेरे को अभी मैं भोजपुरी में गाली दूंगा, तेरे को समझ में नहीं आएगा.
Don't speak in Bhojpuri,
Okay, bro.
only English. Our team only English. No Bhojpuri, no Hindi. Otherwise disqualify.
Hello. You, bro. Who is this man? Who is this man?
अरे मेरा दिमाग मत बस कर. अरे बीरू भाई इसको समझाओ.
Listen, yesterday we decided to speak in English only so that our communication skills become very high.
अरे लंगड़ा लोग क्या समझता है अपने आप को? इंग्लिश सुना है क्या?
We come from Britain, okay? Speak in English. We don't understand
Hey,
Hindi.
Neeraj bhai. You are crossing Lakshman Rekha.
अभी तुम लोग को भोजपुरी में गाली. काला तबे से दिमाग खराब कर. चुप.
To whom you are telling, Neeraj bro?
अरे तो चुप रे.
भाई लगता है तुमको करो क्या बोल रहे. आओ भाई निंजा आओ. कौन तो whose group you call me, bro?
Don't know. Downfall little brother. Downfall little brother.
My byproduct he is. My byproduct.
Don't know how to speak.
Hey
Nonsense.
ninja bro. Ninja bro, where is your brother? Oh ninja. अरे यार किसी को आया.
May not play at Ravi Bhaiya home, no?
Yes, I know. We will go away.
Yes.
Battle Royale. Battle in style.
So Rimna, please, what are your opinions?
Okay, Rimna village. Let's go and talk.
Any enemies will be there. Yes, ninja bro. Yes, where is your brother, bro?
My fucking house.
No, I am not gay.
Our team only English, no Hindi, no Bhojpuri. We don't understand Hindi, Bhojpuri. Only English. Only English comes to me.
Biru, we have to jogging and going to Brimnam village because we will not reach there. We have to jogging.
Do not go.
No bro ninja. Here is car. I see. Here is a car. And that car is mine. You should go away. See. Go away. So,
Enemy very close.
Let's see who come first. I jog, you car. You drive, I car. Sorry, I jog, you car drive.
I will not revive. Number 4 sit in my car. Rickshaw. 50 rupees only. To Rimnam village. Who told you number 1 to go at peak?
You
Becoming over smart. No, I am waiting for ninja. That's why he started looting.
It's okay, bro. Okay, bro.
And me also came because of you, ninja. Very disobedient you are.
This my turn, bro.
System hang, bro. System hang.
अच्छा system.
Start looting. Number 2, we have reached blue zone before you. We are pro. You are noob.
No problem. I come. I soon come.
Till you come, we will loot all the junction here.
You vacant all the blue zone, no?
I am in the blue zone.
You khali. You vacant.
Yes, vacant. Solitude. I make it solitude. You don't know English.
No, our
Making competition.
English.
Making competition with me. My friend is Satyam. Boss.
I don't know.
Hey Ninja, what are you telling, man?
They were born man.
Go to the arsenal.
Hey bro, talk in English. Disqualify you nonsense. Disqualify.
Our group. Then
If you get
English.
disqualified, if you disqualify, we will not revive you in this match. Like number one, we are not reviving number one.
Because he knows speak English.
Yes. Speak in English, we will revive you number one.
लो भाई यार रिवाइव कर दो
Speak.
No. Now you will not get revived. Now you will not get revived.
We disqualify you. First speak in
भाई
English.
कर दो यार
Who told you to go on peak? Who told you to go peak?
भाई
Nonsense,
कर दो
boy.
यार
No bro. You go away. Su.
भाई अब के तुम्हारे साथ उतरूंगा यार भाई
Speak English.
Talk in English
Speak
first.
बहुत nonsense भाई बहुत nonsense no bro.
No. Ninja. Onion. Vote. We should vote. My vote is no. My vote is no, bro. To revive. What are your votes?
Today constitution exam. Listen, Lucky.
Yes.
Today constitution exam. One boy front of me brought mobile phone.
Oh, very naughty boy.
Listen. He was bringing from last 3 days. Okay.
Yes.
I don't know. Everyone know. Means behind me, in front of me, beside me, who's sitting. He know that he's bringing mobile phone. I was not knowing.
Yes.
Then our teacher has caught him.
Enemy came. Save me.
Public. Fuck.
Save me.
Coming.
Save me.
Wait. Hold on.
So much dusty boy killing me.
Where? Location.
Down. Ninja kill. Ninja good boy.
Oh, Ninja, my boy.
Capturing the
Yes, listen, no. Then today that boy
Yes.
caught. Okay.
Yes.
Caught with mobile.
चलो यार कर दो भाई प्लीज यार कर दो
Then
Hey, keep quiet. Number one. Storytelling time. Keep quiet.
be
Yes,
quiet.
Guru.
Speak in English, others be quiet. Then listen, no, Lucky. Then when
Yes.
teacher came, okay, he told that we are leaving you because we don't want to ruin your career, okay.
Yes.
Then they left.
भाई ये लो कर दो यार
Me-
No, number one. Keep quiet. Go away. Su.
Hey, one more public. Upside public. Upside came upside.
Upside where? This side.
Seen. Oh my
Down,
god.
Biru. That's
Arey, one more. Two are there. Two.
where is he? Achha, this side.
One coming close to me. Rush. Fuck him.
enemy very close.
Very good.
Down.
Very good.
He don't know who are his rushing.
Yeah.
Nubra. Ninja bro, come here. Ninja bro. Number one is Noob.
Okay bro. Okay.
Come here, Ninja bro. We will go in rickshaw. 10 rupees to clock tower, 50 rupees to peak. Where are you going?
Okay.
Head to the vending machine.
लो कर दो
No, bro. You try more. I am from Britain. Direct landing to India. Hey, Biru, come here. Sit here. 10 rupees to clock tower.
Okay, Lucky, take.
The discount is not free. That should be benefit to us. When we will get down, revive us in free.
Okay.
Number one, say sorry and speak in English to give your interview and say an essay on cow. Then we will revive you. That's your
Capture
punishment.
Bro,
the
pata
bomb.
hai.
No, speak an essay on cow. Tell an essay on cow, bro.
Hit list mission accepted.
Let's go to Italy, bro. No, bro, no. 4 number is my friend. He will won't do that. 4 number, are you willing to revive him? Okay, okay, bro. Okay.
No, okay. How
Don't
okay?
revive.
No.
No revive him. Hey, what okay?
He
Don't
telling you
revive him,
okay.
bro.
No, okay.
No okay, bro.
Public.
First give one essay on cow mata, then you go away.
Yeah.
Then we will revive you, nonsense. Speak 4 lines. I can't see that them. Where are they?
Arey, one fuck me.
You always get.
No, I cover you. That's why I get fucked. Oh my god. That sniper.
Revive him.
Backside. Yes, backside. Very good.
Thanks.
That sniper used.
He's not-
Headshot.
Very close.
He's knock. He's finished. Revive him. Oh, one more came. He revived one.
Very good.
He revived one. He revived his teammate.
No problem. I wait.
No, bro. No, I speak an Eastern cow. Then you will go away. Speak an Eastern cow. Biru, you know, if we will revive him, he will abuse us.
Yes,
Because
I know,
we
I
don't
know.
revive him till now.
I know. He like me.
Because- He's gay. We don't revive gay.
Hey,
Now
man,
we will
don't
do
like
fishing.
me.
We want to eat some fish. I desire to eat some fish. Ninja, get some Rohu Katla. Rehu Katla.
Girl don't like me, then how you like me?
Yes.
Enemy spotted.
Hey Ninja, where are you running? Don't jogging. Evening walk.
First do fishing, no.
Let's go. No, 1 number 1. We will not revive you. You are very naughty person. Speak in English.
You are the falter.
You know, Viru, yesterday a boy come in my group. He told I was playing Free Fire with 8 years.
Okay.
I told, what is your age? He told, I am 9.
Oh, public game, public.
Where Mark Public?
Man.
No, he's not there. Come in this home. We will finish him from here.
Hey,
Come in this home.
enemy tracking. Oh my god, taking cover of peak, that mountain. Oh no, ninja.
Oh ninja.
Who fuck you?
Enemy fucked him.
How? Oh my god, enemy full power used to kill me.
I can't go him to revive because enemy is there. I went but enemy came.
I going factory.
Yes, go factory and revive, but only him, not do that.
Okay. Understood. Oh no. Public. Oh no, सामने public. Back public. Mad. Whole area public.
Enemy very close.
Very good. Impressive.
That's M590, bro. That's M590.
Your goalie, I know.
Where are other two? This nonsense gari taking?
Break his head.
Wait, I will. Wait.
I give you free, okay? Free revive us.
Yes, I will. Don't worry. The zone is there only. Should I go?
Go, no problem, go. Show your bravery.
Should I revive number 1?
Oh, you can last zone. Let him also play, okay? Give him satisfaction.
No, I want. I am going in double door.
Okay, I am also coming there.
Come in double door, we will camp here.
Okay, coming. Today I no play, yaar. 0 kill.
Me also, don't play. Come here, bro, come above. We killed that 2 person in that house, you should loot them.
No problem. Here we camp. Zone is our side.
Yes. That car person, I will destroy his head.
Okay, break his head.
Enemy spotted.
Hey ninja,
Hey ninja,
Where
we
is
are
that
not
car
speaking.
hey ninja. Hey car
There is
person,
curd in his mouth. There is curd in his mouth.
I have landmine.
There is curd in his mouth. Ninja's mouth. Keep confirm. Yes, very good.
Don't go outside.
Bravo.
Anybody brought tactical market? Oh, number 1 brought tactical market, I should revive him. But he don't work for us. Hey ninja, don't go. Come above. I will give you some ammo. Don't worry. You will get. Camp here. I will kill 1 2 enemies and you get that from them. Hey ninja, why are you not speaking, bro?
I also no ammo.
Wait here. I will give you. That enemies are outside. We should not rush. 11 enemies are alive.
Oh my god, they're throwing grenade.
Put some walls on that window. Put some walls on the window.
Okay.
Enemies coming.
Okay. Enemy coming.
Come here. Come on the stair. Hey bro, what are you doing?
Enemy came. Don't go down.
Yes, I know. Hey, revive ninja.
How he got fucked?
Hey, he didn't knock down because I placed 2 landmine, but then also he escaped.
Oh my god, it's so... Oh my god, my kill.
Loot.
Oh my god, Groza, I want Groza.
And here heal pistol Y also. And M10 who picked up M10?
My M10. Ammo no have. Ammo hai. I have ammo.
Yeah, you have ammo. No. Destroy this one. Whose ammo do you want?
Give me ammo, give me.
Yeah, he spoke English. Oh my god, bravo.
Good night.
Bro, we should not go down.
Yes. Hey, from back rush.
Double airdrop. Enemy very close.
Back. No problem.
Oh, this fucking nonsense came from back. Only 3 left.
No. So guys, अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा लाइक करो, सब्सक्राइब करो, चैनल पे नए हो तो सपोर्ट करो गाइस। तब तक के लिए बाय।